Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay your Shopify bill. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify admin panel with your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the lower left corner and click on Settings. From the menu, select Billing. This section stores all your billing information, payment methods, and invoices. Before paying your bill, make sure your payment method is set up. Click Add Payment Method and choose from major credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. Shopify also accepts co-branded debit cards with international support. If you prefer, you can set up PayPal as well, which is convenient for many users. Ensure your card or PayPal is enabled for recurring payments to avoid service interruptions. After setting this up, return to the main billing page. Here, you can view upcoming bills, past invoices, and even export billing details for record keeping. So that's basically how you can pay your Shopify bill. That's it for this video. Thanks.